All right, my lovelies, we are getting ready to add. But before we begin, I'm going to let you watch a video.
Earlier, today we are going to talk about the basics of addition. I love addition, I love it very much. I love addition, I add up all my stuff. I know, the voice of an angel. Alright, so really, why do I love addition? Why do I love addition? And why do you love addition? Well, I love addition because addition is so simple and so much fun. We're going to show you, we're going to prove to you that addition is so simple and so much fun. You're going to have a great time doing it. Okay, so you might be wondering, what is addition? What do we do when we do addition? Well, addition is putting numbers together. It's like a great game of putting numbers together, okay? Addition is putting numbers together. Now, we're going to show you exactly how this works by talking about this sport. Do you know what sport this is?
Yell it out if you know it.
This lady hit the golf ball, and she's hoping that the golf ball goes into the hole. We're pulling for you, Sally. Don't know if you actually got the ball in the hole, but we're pulling for you, Sally. You can do it, Sally. You can do it. You see, she's so excited. She doesn't know. She doesn't know, but we don't know either. All we can do is guess. We don't really know Sally all that well. But let's pretend that Sally loves golf, and let's pretend that Sally likes to collect golf balls. So Sally is playing with one golf ball. Let's say that's the only golf ball she has with her right now. She's got one golf ball. But she finds another golf ball by a tree. So she had one golf ball, and then she found another one. We need to put these numbers together, don't we, to find out how many golf balls she has now. Putting numbers together, that's addition! That's addition! So now we put these two numbers together. She had one golf ball, she found another one, so let's add both of those balls. How many do we have? Yeah, 2. Sally now has 2 golf balls. Good job, Sally. Oh, addition, I knew I loved you. Oh, addition, all you are is just putting numbers together. So simple, so fun, a game anyone can play. Well, you know Sally, she went back to that golf course the very next day, because remember, she loves golf, right? And of course, Sally brought her 2 golf balls, because remember, she had one golf ball, then she found another one, so now she has 2. But you know what? She had a great day at the course, and she actually found 2 more balls. I know, isn't that crazy? Sally is really great at finding golf balls. She found 2 more balls. Now I have to find out how many golf balls she has. Wait a second. Oh, we're putting numbers together. It's addition. It's time. We're gonna get to do addition again. Remember, addition is putting numbers together. She had 2 balls, and now she's found 2 more balls, and we get to find out how many she has now. That's addition. Putting numbers together. So she had 2 balls, and she's found 2 new ones, so we need to find out what 2 plus 2 is. What a great addition problem. What's 2 plus 2? If you don't know, you can actually just count the golf balls. What's 2 plus 2? Yeah, 4. 2 plus 2. Remember, addition is putting numbers together. 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's addition. Putting numbers together. Oh, bless her heart. Sally's at it again. She's back at the golf course to collect more golf balls. So Sally brings all of her golf balls. Now she has 4 of them. She brought all 4 to the golf course. Well, she looked high and low, and wouldn't you know it, she found 3 golf balls at the golf course. I know, she's so good at collecting golf balls. Now we need to figure out how many golf balls she has. And yes, we're putting numbers together, so it's going to be an addition problem. She had 4 golf balls, and now she has 3 more golf balls. So what is 4 plus 3? Remember, with addition, we're just putting numbers together. So if you need help, you can actually count the number of golf balls on the screen. What's 4 plus 3? Yeah, 4 plus 3 equals 7. She has 7 golf balls now. Great job adding. Well, now you know the basics of addition, and now you know why I love addition so much. In the comments below, tell us how much you love addition, because it's fun, right? It's simple, it's fun. Where's Sally? Where's Sally? Oh, there she is, there she is. There's our little star. Thanks for helping us count how many golf balls she got. And remember, addition is just putting numbers together. We hope to see.
You guys did excellent. All right, let's continue on with our lesson. Uh-oh, I paused us. We need to go move forward. All right, so are you ready to add? It's a scavenger hunt. Here we go. Make sure that you are completing the Khan Academy videos for activities for addition. Write and say the addition definition in your own words. I really liked his. It's getting the numbers, putting them together. I like that. Find examples of groups, count each group together, find the total of each group, and say the mathematical sentence. Today it's more independent, so it's less me guiding you, but you doing the work, because I know that you can. So I need you to make sure that you have your math journal, a piece of paper, a 100s chart if you need it, some math manipulatives such as dry beans, pasta, even cereal works. And don't forget your pencil. All right, here we go. Remember, how many ways can you make 5? Means you got to have a total of 5. Then you have a group plus a group equals your total. Make sure that you are using your mat if you need it. All right, you can show an addition sentence many ways. Let's try making 5. How can we make it? What do you say? Miss Horne isn't answering the question today. What do you say? What are some ways to make 5? Thinking about making 5. Does anybody have an example? Wait a minute. Is that Melanie I hear telling me 3 and 2? Yes, it is. It is Melanie telling me 3 and 2. And guess what I did? I used it. So, how many ways can I make 5? Thank you, Melanie. I can use it as 3 plus 2. So, I'm going to write my addition sentence as 3 plus 2 equals 5. Way to go, Melanie. All right, somebody else hollers 2 plus 3. Was that Ziva? I think that was Ziva. Ziva told me that, 2 plus 3. And Melanie told me 3 plus 2. Yes, darlings, you are correct. 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 equal 5. It is the same thing. Way to go, scholars. All right. You also need to ask yourself, are there other ways that you can make 5? Yes, there are. Patricia says there are other ways that you can make 5. Way to go, guys. You are so brilliant. You can think of other number combinations, and yes, that will help you make 5. Now, you can show an addition sentence many ways. Let's try making 11. How can we make it? What do you think? What can we possibly use in order, what 2 groups of numbers can we use in order to make 11? That's right. We can use 6 and 5, 2 and 9, 3 and 8. Wow. 10 plus 1. Yeah, those are numbers that make 11. And it's up to you in order to put the numbers inside of the mat and create your version of 11. And it is okay if everybody's numbers are different, because that's the beauty of the number. There are multiple ways, many different ways that you can make 11. So I want you to get in the habit of practicing with your number sentence. What numbers go here? Make sure you're using those numbers. It's important. All right, now it's time for you to add independently. I want you to think, what 2 numbers can I add together or put together to get this number? Now get ready to guess and check, because yes, we are guessing and checking our work, which is very good. It's an excellent skill for you to have. It's also a wonderful way for you to go exploring how numbers fit together and are fluid. That means they can move from one position to the next. Simple terms like, I can put these groups of numbers together and I will get this number. Or I can move the numbers around and I will still get this number. For example, when we talked about 11, I said 6 plus 5 equals 11. But I also said 3 plus 8 equals 11. And I also said 10 plus 1 equals 11. So numbers are fluid. They're movable. Never think that it's just one way to solve a problem. There's always multiple ways. Now, I want you to independently solve how I get 18. What am I going to add together in order to get 18? That's an independent piece. That's something I want you to work on as we are going through our slides. These are going to be your independent things. Also, don't forget to ask yourself, are there any other number combinations I can add together to get this number? I don't ever want you to think there's only one way. And what's more important is I want you to practice getting 18, but I also want you to practice, how can I get 16? This first one. How can I get 10? The second one. How can I get 20? And then you're like, wait a minute, she changed our numbers. Yes, I did. Because guess what? You are brilliant and you can handle it. I also want you to try to get 19, 25, and 21. Why do you say? Because you're brilliant. You got this. All it takes is a little bit of practice and a little bit of extra pasta, or beans, or tally marks, or circles. So never think that you can't solve this problem. As long as you use your manipulatives, you are going to be great and fabulous at what you do. So let's get ready to be independent, because it's Independent Thursday. And that's what my scholars are. They are independent. As always, if you get stuck, go back to the beginning of the video and watch the addition from YouTube. It was fabulous. Remember, we're just putting groups of numbers together and we're counting them if push comes to shove. It's all good. All right, guys, till tomorrow. I can't wait to hear what you have to say. And remember, we're playing the addition game in the morning, so everybody get ready, get ready, get ready. All right, see you in the morning. Bye, guys.